Today we are talking about Amazon stock. Amazon is a compounding machine with multiple businesses boosted by decade-long tailwinds. E-commerce, cloud computing, digital advertisement, and robotics. But is Amazon a buy in 2025? Let's find out in this video. What's going on, investors? Hopefully you guys are doing well out there. Let's start from the performance for Amazon stock year to date. The stock is 4.61% year to date and around 115% return in the last 5 years. So can Amazon continue to grow main business segment, which is very important for me as a shareholder? Firstly, it's e-commerce, online stores. The online stores, we see the growth was skyrocketed during the COVID and right now the growth is slowing, but after 2022, which we went to the negative growth, the growth is reaccelerating to 6.5%, which is good sign. The second business unit I'm taking very close attention to is advertising services. For the advertising services, the Amazon is taking market share from big players like Google and also Meta. Right now, Amazon is top 3 player in digital advertisement in the world and $56 billion run rate per year. The next one, AWS, the business with very high margins and exponential growth. Right now we can see that the growth is reaccelerating back after bottoming in 2023. The generative AI era will help Amazon to continue compounding this business, and the margins, the profit margin for this business is just unbelievable. Now let's see what is the revenue estimate growth. To understand what returns we can expect in the future, we need to understand what is the analyst expectations, right? So analysts expect in the next 3 years the revenue growth of around 10%. But what is most importantly is for cash from operations, the Wall Street is expecting approximately 20% growth for the next 3 years. Now let me show you my valuation model for Amazon. Firstly, I would like to introduce a bit details for this valuation model. So firstly, we can see the revenue for the current and projected for the next 5 years, revenue growth, operating cash flow margin, and the multiple priced operating cash flow. Then we can see the projection for the dividends and buybacks. Right now, Amazon is not doing any buybacks and not paying any dividends. And also here we can see the share outstanding right now and projected in 2028. And because we do not really expect the buybacks, then these numbers are the same. As we saw from analysts, they are projecting around 10% revenue growth for the next 3 years. And for me, I would like to be a little bit more conservative, so I project 9% revenue growth. But the key for my analysis is here. I am expecting operating cash flow margin to increase from 18% to 23% over the next 5 years. And also the average price to operating cash flow for Amazon historically was 23, but for me I will be expecting 20 in 5 years, because of course the company could not keep the same multiple forever. So just to be conservative, I would prefer to drop this multiple to 20. So based on this calculation, the upside potential over the next 5 years for Amazon stock is 88%. And I prefer to buy companies where I see the upside potential of more than 100%, where I can double my money in 5 years. And to double your money with Amazon over the next 5 years, you need to buy Amazon at $217 per share. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, click notification bell, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.